Hey Novsight family, welcome back to another install by yours truly, Jay. We're gonna be installing the new ABS awning on my Jeep JL, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So follow me.
Novsight thought about everything. They even include the wrenches so you can tie the bolts and nuts on this set. It comes all hardware, all brackets, and even this nice pouch so you can store your tools. I already installed the 90-degree brackets using the provided hardware. So in my case, I'm installing them on these crossbars. Your application might be different. You might have a rack, but you just install these two brackets like so using the provided hardware, and you're pretty much 50% almost done. The other bolts will slide right into the back of your awning on these tracks. Like I say, Novsight thought about everything. This is the easiest installation I ever done on a rack. Just like two of these bolts on each side of the awning. And you're ready to mount it. Now, using a body's help, you can just go ahead and start your installation on your rack. You just need to line up the holes on your bracket with the bolts that you use to slide on the track in the back of your awning. Then, using the other 4 provided 13mm nuts, you kind of secure them itself, and then you proceed to tie these nuts with the provided 13mm wrench. It's just as easy as this. And to open it is just as easy. Just open the zippers alongside the hard shell. Undo the Velcro straps. Now release the sides and the front supports. You can adjust them by twisting on the rods. And secure them with the Velcro. And did I mention that this is an amazing accessory for when you're going to the beach?